Now, billionaires have many obsessions. Supercars, ice baths, exotic animals, you name it, and billionaires usually have it. But of late, they seem to have a new obsession: bunkers. The top 1% are building bunkers. Mark Zuckerberg is constructing one in Hawaii, and it's worth $270 million, $270 million. It's almost like a status symbol now. But why do the super rich need bunkers? Are they trying to survive a war? Maybe another pandemic? Or an apocalypse? Do they know something that we do not? Our next report tells you.
Blast-resistant doors, equipped with its own food and energy supplies. This is a 5,000 square foot shelter located underground in Hawaii. The price tag of the project is $270 million. If you want to survive an apocalypse, this is the place to be. Who does this belong to? Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg. The billionaire is building a bunker, and he isn't the only one. Former PayPal CEO Peter Thiel tried to build one in New Zealand. Bill Gates has plenty of underground security areas, apparently one under each of his homes. Of course, these are the higher-end ones, but you could get yourself a basic one for $500,000. It's almost like buying an expensive car. And for billionaires, it's a good way to use some loose change. But where are they building them? Apparently all over the world. But a popular choice seems to be New Zealand. It's attributed to its secluded location, which brings us to the boom in the companies building these survival shelters. Some of them are just basic shelters. They are underground, they have all the essentials, you can survive there for a few weeks. But a handful of them go a step further. Like this one project that includes an island fortress. This is not just a bunker. The entire island is like a fort, with an inflammable moat. Basically, if you try to step foot on the island, it will burn down. But you will be perfectly safe inside the underground bunker. Sounds perfect for a zombie apocalypse. But why are the super rich building bunkers? What are they so scared of? In the last 5 years, the world has survived a lot. A global pandemic, 2 wars, climate change. Some of these bunkers have registered nurses, a collection of drugs, decontamination booths, medical supplies. One even has a full-fledged operating table. Basically, you can survive anything in there. It's almost like modern-day Noah's Ark. If you are in the bunker, you are likely to survive almost all catastrophes. But it's not for everyone. It's only for the chosen few. And here, Noah is not making the choice. The world's super rich are making it for themselves. But beneath all these underground bunkers lies a dark truth. It's that death is truly the great equalizer. And the super rich, just like us, fear it too. They cannot buy their way out of it, even with these underground bunkers and fortresses. But that hasn't stopped them from trying.
So guys, our biggest question of the day today is, what do the super rich know that is coming to America that we normal people don't know? What do the super rich know that regular Americans don't know?
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In case you're new here, my name is Maren
and I'm Maureen.
Yeah, so you've got to watch the video we played for you, and right now there's a lot of billionaires. Well, there's not a lot of, but you get the context here, of those who are building underground tunnels. We've seen Mark Zuckerberg has an underground tunnel worth 270 million
and
US dollars.
Yeah, and for someone to have such a big space like that, and especially a place where also he can store food, that amount of food means that he's going to be down there for quite a long time. If you are in America and you are watching this, please tell us in the comment section, what do you think these people are running away from, and what do you think they're running away from and leaving you to deal with?
Exactly. You know, things have been happening in the world.
It's no secret that Russia and China have joined forces against, you know, they've joined forces against who it shall not be mentioned now.
Right now, I can tell you the situation, and it's not only America, but let's use America as an example.
Right.
America is becoming a disorderly society. You see, a place which used to be very safe, you see right now people are burglarizing places. Stores are being burglarized. Fancy high-end clothes stores, they're being burglarized and vandalized.
Yeah,
even food
to my
stores.
surprise, even Americans are even stealing food. Not all Americans, but some Americans are even stealing foodstuffs. And this you can accredit it to the high cost of living. But you're the ones who are staying in America. Please tell us why that is so. Why would someone steal food? You know, and why would a rich person build an underground bunker, furnish it well, that is fully equipped even with medicine, fully equipped with on-call nurses and doctors, fully equipped. That is a Kiswahili word to say. Imagine someone can survive there for quite a long time when up there things are happening up there. He's just down there chilling, man.
And right now you see a very big number of, it's concerning the amount of immigrants that are getting into America. I'm just going to be honest and say, I'm a Kenyan, I live in Africa. If I saw a lot of immigrants come into Kenya like that, I'd get concerned because you know, when you're used to a country being able to hold a specific number of people, meaning there's a sustainability of food, there's a sustainability of resources, and then
an overflow of immigrants won't be able to they won't be able to hold up the manageability of resources. And then secondly, Trump once said in one of his many speeches, especially immigrants from China, the ones that are getting into America right now, they're of fighting age. So you know, as an American, as an American, you won't help but get concerned. Are all of these immigrants that are coming into America, are they coming with good intention, or some of them will be the very downfall of America? Like, will they be in the middle of the belly of the beast when a war breaks out, and they will assist in the war, but on the opposite side of the war?
Yeah, so a lot of things are really happening. I could say I do understand these billionaires building underground bunkers,
and if you follow these billionaires very well, most of them are not even building in America. It's as if to insinuate that America is going to burn. Not now, you guys, not now, but America, something is coming to America,
you can
and
feel
you'll be
it.
brought back to the uncivilized society.
God forbid, but it is what it is.
It is what it is.
You know, when I look at all these things, it reminds me of, I'm going to reference a movie,
right?
Yeah. I don't know if all of you have watched, but if you haven't, Under the Dome, you know, when they started having problems, you know, things were happening, you saw people scrambling for food, people are scrambling for water, neighbors,
and others started killing each other because of food and resources.
Yeah, another movie I want to reference is Last Ship. I don't know if you've watched Last Ship, but what happened there, when, although right now we are not living in corona days, but it left an adverse effect on the whole entire world when corona broke out. So Last Ship is all about, you know, a virus breaking out and how it changes the world. People start, you know, the world doesn't go to be quite the same because this was a viral virus that was affecting people. So I'll just reference those two movies. If you've watched them, you'll know what I'm talking about. If you haven't, you can maybe go check them out. So I'm looking at America, and right now it's beginning to look like, you know,
it's gonna be an apocalyptic world up there.
Exactly. So you find that a lot of people who are getting out of America right now, but this I'm just saying for, you know,
for context,
right? A lot of them who are getting out right now, they're getting out, and when they come, they're looking for places where they can go live, at least try and find that peace, because America, there's a looming doom, you know, impending doom that is in the air. So they're going to other places.
Yeah, and to you, our audience, would you say America is a sitting target for some nations or for something? Would you say that? And if, just tell us your opinions on this matter. Like right now, if America was to go to war, who do you think would
come to America's aid?
Not even that. Who do you think America would go to war against first? And second, as they go to war, who do you think will come to America's aid and fight side by side with America?
We know Americans are fighters, and right now there's speculation that the dollar is falling. Allegedly the dollar is falling. So what people are asking is, where is America going to be in the next few years to come? You know, what is America going to look like? like. And we all know Americans are fighters. Before the dollar goes down, we know they're going to fight their hardest to try and maintain their superpower position, you understand? So I don't know,
to make all this to show you that something is happening beneath the ground we walk in. America moved a big number of its UN staff to Kenya,
from New York
to Nairobi. So this prompted the question, why are they removing some of their staff from America to some foreign countries? Like, what are they trying to protect that it won't survive in America? You get?
So all these are just questions we should ponder upon. And if you have a message or a comment or thoughts you want to contribute to the topic, kindly leave it on the comment section. We want to thank you so much for always watching our episodes. If you're new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing. See you on our next episode. Bye.